Hey gamers, ever wondered how to check your ping and FPS in Fortnite while rocking it on your PC? Well, I got your back. In this video, I'll show you how you can keep an eye on your FPS and ping in Fortnite on your PC. So without any delay, let's dive in. First, fire up Fortnite on your computer. Then click on the profile icon from the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on the settings icon. After that, click on settings from this menu. Now while you're in the display tab, scroll all the way down to the advanced graphics section. Then click on this arrow next to the show FPS to turn off the FPS counter and ping. After that, click on apply. Next, restart the game. After your game opens up and you're in the lobby, you should find your FPS and ping here and only FPS here. But if you want to see your actual ping, go to settings again. Then switch to the game tab. Now move your mouse to matchmaking region and you should see your ping in every server there is. But here's the catch. You can't see this in the game while playing because Epic Games took away that feature on PC. So that's about it. That's how you check your FPS and ping in Fortnite on your PC. If the video was helpful, smash that like button. And if you want to see more Fortnite tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching.